Hey guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Chris Ward, and I'm your community leader here at PoolLiner Prosperity. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and go over some very important points before you get started on the courses in this classroom. First, I want to explain why, as a PoolLiner installer, you might find value in what I teach. Many moons ago, I was a police officer making about $30,000 per year. I started cleaning pools on the side to make a little extra money, and before long, I was able to quit my job and start Lazy Day Pools out of Atlanta, Georgia. Since then, Lazy Day Pools has evolved into a PoolLiner installation company. And as of today, I can report to you that almost all of my dreams have come true as a result of being a PoolLiner installer. Here are 4 things about where I am today that as a PoolLiner installer you might find interesting. First, I make several $100,000 per year installing pool liners. Second, I don't work very hard. Third, my customers love me. That's an average rating of 4.9 and hundreds of customer reviews. And finally, my employees love me because I pay them well above industry standard. Now, most of the training in this community is simply me explaining to you how I do things. That's it. I can share this information with you because I am not planning to expand Lazy Day Pools into any new markets. I'm just holding what I've got. The downside of reaching the level I'm at is that I'm bored to death. I have people who do everything for me now. They install the liners, do the marketing, answer the phones. I'm very blessed, but boredom for somebody like me is just not going to work. So I decided to start a new hobby, and that new hobby is the community you just joined, PoolLiner Prosperity. I want to teach you, a perfect stranger, how to have the life I have, and I think it will be a lot of fun doing so. So before you start your first course, there are a few quick housekeeping items we need to cover. First, the courses are based on my experience and how I do things. PoolLiner pros are nothing if not passionate, and I get that because I'm the same way. However, I won't allow any jerks in my community. Life is just too short. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything. If you have constructive criticism for another member, please keep it very, very respectful, or better yet, private message them to give them your highly respectful feedback. Those of you receiving the feedback, and this includes me, please keep your pride in check. All of us need to be corrected from time to time, and this is why we are all here, to learn from one another and improve. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the courses themselves. I have tried to keep each video as short as possible, less than 15 minutes in most cases. In 2026, no one has time to watch a 2-hour video, and you wouldn't retain any of the information even if you did have the time. So I've kept the videos short and to the point in order to respect your time and improve your internalization of the material. Any feedback you have on the training is appreciated. I also wanted to mention the weekly live calls. This is the highest value I can offer our members because it allows me to answer any questions you might have about your specific business and your specific phase of growth. If there are other members on the call, they will probably have valuable experiences to share as well. The live calls alone make this community worthwhile. And the last thing I wanted to mention is the free versus premium courses. Some of the courses require a premium membership, and there are several reasons why I chose to do it this way. The biggest reason is that the premium courses usually contain proprietary information or details about something I invented to solve a specific problem. And I only want to share this high-level info with serious people, people who are truly interested in achieving their dream lives through the PoolLiner business model. Hopefully, after going through some of the free courses, you will get enough value to know with certainty the insane value of the premium courses. If you are one of those who graduate to premium, I will reach out to you directly to see if there is anything I can do to help you along the way. So that's it. Go ahead and get started on your first course and let me know if you have any questions.